In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the Payment Media Report module. First, click on Report, Payment Report, and Payment Media Report. Here you'll be required to fill in your preferences for the Payment Media Report that is going to be generated by the system, such as the date of report, the invoice number that the Payment Media Report is going to begin with, and the report type, which can be Crystal Report or in Grid View. So let's say in this case, I want to view today's payment media report. So I'll go to the date of report field over here and select today. And for invoice number, I'll leave it blank as I'm not looking for any particular invoice. For report type, I'll select Crystal Report for now. And after I'm done here, I'll click on Generate. As you can see here, the system has generated for me a payment media report for the date 21st of November 2024, which is today for me. In this report, I can see details such as the date of payment, the document number, the name of the customer, the total, discount, tax, total service, total part, credit card charge, and the payment medias. And at the very right, the balance of the customer. At the bottom of the report will also be the sum of each column in this report. And by the cash column, the sum will also be added with your start of money in order to display your current money on hand. Over at the bottom left here of the report, it will also show you the total cash sales in this report, the total invoice sales in this report, and the total number of documents in this report, which in my case is 3. Now, if you would like to print out this payment media report, you can click on the print icon over here. And if you want to download this payment media report, you can click on the download icon instead. Other than that, if you would like to export this payment media report into Excel format or PDF format, you can click on either of these buttons over here. The Export Excel Data button and the Export to Excel button will allow you to download an Excel file, and the Export to PDF button will allow you to download a PDF file. So that's it so far for the Crystal report type. Now we'll move on to the Grid View report type. After I click on Grid View, I'll just regenerate the report. And as you can see here, the Grid View report type is slightly different than the Crystal report type. Choosing the Grid View report type will cause the system to present the report in a table format instead of the usual printing format. However, the details in this table are almost the same with the Crystal report details, which means here you can also see details such as the document number, the name of the customer, the date of the transaction, the total, balance, the payment types, and the grand total. Up here, you can also see 4 tabs, which are the total count, which is the number of documents in this table, the total cash sales in this table, the total invoice sales, the cash on hand along with your start of money. Going back down to this table, if you would like to change the look or format of this table, such as removing or adding a column, you can drag a column out to this field up here and it will remove the column. To add a column back in, all you have to do is just drag it back in like so. And if you would like to view other amounts in this payment type column over here, such as maybe discounts, you can drag it to the left side over here and another column will appear. For now, I'll drag it back up. Moving on, you can also filter the entries based on column values by using the funnel icon over here. As you can see here, once I untick the S002 and click OK, that entry will disappear. I can also sort the entries by ascending or descending order based on column values by clicking on the column headers like so. And if you would like to collapse certain entries and their information, you can click on the little arrow over here and it will collapse the entire row. Finally, if you would like to export this table into Excel format, you can click on the Export to Excel button over here and your browser will download an Excel file for future use. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.